So, good morning, Ms. Perez. So, I've
Good
been
morning.
seeing in your resume you're going to apply as a forensic scientist. So, can you please tell me three things about you which are not found in your resume?
Yes. First, I have the ability to deal with emotional and stressful situation. Second, I am confident of my judgment. And lastly, I am objective and sensitive in dealing with confidential information. That's all.
Wow. Okay. So, how about what do you do things with when go as planned? Can you please cite an example?
I think about other options available. For instance, when I'm looking for information of the suspect, my plan A will be looking for his or her personal records. Plan B will be talk to his or her peers and family. And lastly, look for his or her personal belongings. That's all.
Okay, for your last question. So, how do you handle difficult situations?
So there was a time when I was a group leader in research, and there was a member that is too difficult to handle. So what I did, I just talked to him and make him realize. And after that, he was able to help us to finish our study. That's all.
Okay, so thank you for your ano, um, thank you for your time. I will email you for further update. Mm. Bye. So good morning, Ms. Reyes. So as I've seen in your resume, you're going to apply as a full-time police officer. So tell me about a skill you recently acquired or improved.
Okay. Um, for me, communication skills are perhaps the first set of skills that potential I have improved from the initial moment you get in touch with them. There was scrutinizing the way you behave. Communication skills is very important, and I think I improved that skills today. That's all.
Okay, so how do you deal and overcome
Okay.
difficult challenges?
Thank you, Mom. For me, to overcome those challenges, there should be constant communication, hearing out, and collaboration. It is important to determine the critical details of accordance and arguments. This way, both parties can devise a plan to move forward. That's
So,
Yes, hello, ma'am.
so I think that's all enough. So thank you for your time. I will email you for further updates. Thank you, Ms. Reyes.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, thank you, ma'am. So, thank you so much.
Okay. Okay, so good afternoon, Mr. Nepomuceno. So as I've seen in your resume, you're going to apply as an engineer. So what do you do when things will not go as planned? Can you please cite an example?
Um, Well, for me, ma'am, if the plan will not go to the plan, for me, I will accomplish it even if without in the plan, I can be the one that I can accomplish it, because for me, ma'am, I am a imperfection person, and I don't like that the plan is not undergo to my plan, and that's it, ma'am.
Okay, so how do you handle difficult situations?
Um, so for me, if I handle a difficult situation, I know to myself that I have a courage to do everything to be accomplished, and even if difficult, I'm also being great, because if I didn't go well, nothing else happen. That's it, ma'am.
Okay, for your last question. So tell me about the skill you recently acquired or improved.
So for me, based on my experience, I experienced a lot of of hard work. I experienced a lot of difficult, like for example, last few years I onboard a ship vessel, and many many circumstances happens, and being a seafarer, I want to acknowledge all that we are as one together, to be a good and a nice and perfect situation. That's it, ma'am.
Okay, so thank you, Mr. Nepomuceno, for your time. I will email you for further updates.
Okay, ma'am.
So thank you.